What up, Taman?
I'm just here to earn a check.
Your boy just came back from Korea. It was a quick trip, but you know, it was needed. Big things coming up. Big things. While I was busy, a lot of K-pop came out. And when is that not happening? K-pop is always moving while I'm like doing something else. I feel like I have to be a homebody just to keep up with K-pop. Aespa, 17. I know a lot more has come out, so please put in the comments down below. We're gonna be checking out a lot of K-pop and talking about what's been happening in K-pop on my Twitch live today at 5 p.m. PST. Shout out to my Discord for trying to keep me updated. If you haven't joined my Discord, please join. But yes, I will be live at 5 p.m. PST on Twitch. We're gonna be catching up with K-pop. I think that's what's new in K-pop. Even though XG's not considered K-pop, XG came out. My reaction's out. Go check it out. If you're wondering about the clothes that I've been wearing, these are all King Kenny Slay's merch. A lot of people have been commenting about like, do you know what your shirt means? I do. I'm just a supportive friend. Right, Taman?
Again, I'm just here to get a check.
He looked like he just paid to be here. Don't worry, I'll pay you in a Jollibee. Again, I'll be live at 5 p.m. PST. If you do see this at 5 p.m. PST, then I am live. Be sure to say hi, come join. It's gonna be a good time. We're just gonna be hanging out talking about K-pop. And to those who are gonna be missing the live stream, I will try to upload. There's a lot of things I haven't uploaded on my YouTube channel that I've reacted on Twitch. So sometimes it's best to catch me on Twitch if you want me to check out something certain, or just remind me to upload and edit my videos because sometimes I be forgetting. I do be uploaded on my short form on my Instagram and TikTok and my YouTube shorts. Be sure to check those out. Those go hard. But I just want to say thank you guys for always supporting and appreciate you for always liking, commenting, and subscribing and sharing my videos. Patreon, go join that. I need to upload more of Island. I've been watching Island too. Please recommend me some more variety shows that you think would be fun to watch. All right, y'all. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.